E major to A major. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3. Well, if we keep doing these chords, they must be important, yes. And they are. 2, 3, 4. Regardless of what style of music you choose to play, you will run into these chords. You will see them. They're everywhere. 2, 3, 4. When you're comfortable, you may switch to half notes. Certainly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Quarters. We can do quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count 8 notes, but strum quarter notes. And 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Now I'm going to play when I'm counting. 1